Hi everybody, Chef Coco here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make Cajun fried rice. It's one of my favorite things to make. We're going to start off with a little bit of olive oil, a drizzle. Then we're going to do our holy trinity of Cajun cooking. Those are chopped onions. I'm going to give that a stir. And then next, we're going to add chopped bell pepper. You can use red or green, whichever you prefer, or what you have on hand. Just give it a good stir while you are cooking. Also, celery. You want to have twice as much bell pepper and onion as you do to celery. That's the general rule. Now we have our spices: salt, pepper, red pepper, paprika, garlic, and black pepper. So we'll add that in. Some basic Cajun spices. And we'll give that a good stir. Now it's starting to brown. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of vegetable stock or chicken stock. And we have some cooked meat here. I'm using some soy crumbles, but you can use ground turkey, ground meat. And here we have 3 cups of rice. Now I'm using brown rice, but you can use any type of rice you have left over. White rice works great. And give it a stir. And then at the end, we want to add some green onions after it's cooked, heated up thoroughly, and mixed in well. So we're just going to add those green onions in. That'll give it a little color. And here we go. See how easy that was? With just leftover rice and some vegetables that you have on hand. Looks great, doesn't it? Very nice. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you want more recipes, please go to my website, arlenecoco.com. Thanks.